Hello everyone, I welcome you all to perform knowledgeable science experiment. In this experiment, we will demonstrate the use of pH paper to determine the nature of solutions. The materials required for this experiment are pH papers and pH number strip, acetic acid, lemon juice, distilled water, dilute hydrochloric acid, sodium bicarbonate solution, sodium hydroxide solution, and watch glasses. If the pH value is less than 7, then the solution is acidic. If it is greater than 7, the solution is alkaline. Neutral solution's pH value is equal to 7. So, I hope you are all ready. Let us begin with the experiment. Now, take the solution of which the pH has to be determined. Acetic acid, lemon juice, dilute hydrochloric acid, water, sodium bicarbonate solution, sodium hydroxide solution. Now take pH papers. Place it along with the solutions. Take a pH number strip. Take few drops of each solution and put it on the pH paper. Observe the color change in the pH paper and compare it with the pH number strip. We can see that the color is less than 7, indicating it is acidic in nature. Now repeat the same for lemon juice. Observe the color change. Compare it with the pH number strip. It is again less than 7. Thus, it is acidic in nature. Now, repeat the same for dilute hydrochloric acid. Compare it with pH number strip. It is less than 7, indicating it is acidic in nature. For water, there is no color change. It is neutral. Sodium bicarbonate. If the solution is dilute, then the color change is slow. The color is green, and when you compare it with pH strip, it is greater than 7, indicating it is alkaline in nature. Sodium hydroxide, the pH color changes to blue. It is greater than 7, thus alkaline in nature. For acetic acid, the pH value lies in the range 4 to 5. For lemon juice, the value lies in the range 4 to 5. For hydrochloric acid, the pH value lies in the range 2 to 3. As water is neutral, there is no change in the color. For sodium bicarbonate, the color is green and the value is around 8. For sodium hydroxide solution, the value is around 12. Dilute hydrochloric acid has pH values of 2 to 3, that is, it is acidic in nature. Dilute sodium hydroxide solution has pH value of 12, that is, it is alkaline in nature. Dilute acetic acid or ethanoic acid has pH value in the range 4 to 5, that means it is acidic in nature. Lemon juice has pH value in the range 4 to 5, that is, it is acidic in nature. Water, since it is neutral, the pH value is 7. Dilute sodium bicarbonate solution has a pH value of around 8, that means it is alkaline in nature. Thank you for watching the video. I hope you all enjoyed performing the experiment. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel for more interesting educational videos.